For a young driver coming along, one of the biggest problems they have is the nervousness. Perhaps considerably less nervous than when it was my time to be a young driver, because then motor racing was much more dangerous than it is today. But to be able to keep calm, most of those young drivers today have been spending their time karting. They've got to do that. There's not one good racing driver that hasn't been exposed in these modern terms. Then you've got to start finessing it. It's a question of mind management. And I learned that from my shooting. If you miss a target at the beginning because you're uptight or something, you never get it back. As a racing driver, you can make a mistake in one corner, but you can also gain back whatever you've lost. So mind management, discipline of the head, is probably more important than any other factor. You've got to keep calm and collected and not being carried away with a wee bit of success. Some people get quite excited when they've won, but to be able to keep your mind again calm, be able to, with comfort, recognize your success while at the same time not elaborating your abilities. Don't hang out with people that's just giving you praise. You get carried away with that. You've got to have people who are helping you quietly. A lot of people get carried away with a little bit of success, but these are not the ones that have long-term abilities. When you're looking at the really big-time drivers, Verstappen at the present time is probably the best racing driver in the world right now. To look up to him, you'll see he's not overly excited at the beginning of the race. It's even when the race is over, he's not that excited of having won. It's a question again of keeping your mind, keeping yourself calm, and being able to smoothen your driving. Don't be aggressive in driving. In driving, the car doesn't like it. Don't abuse the car. Don't overdrive to go faster. Sometimes when you go slower, you're actually going faster because the car likes it like that. Whether it's in acceleration, whether it's in braking, or whether it's steering angle. So you've got to treat the car as sensibly as possible. Smooth and clean and gentle. It's a very sensitive animal.
You've been watching SAFEisFAST.com. Please follow and like us on social media.